Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be discussing an important topic: how to find the source and topic of a WhatsApp web page on your PC. Understanding this information can provide valuable insights into the web page you're using. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp Web on your PC by visiting web.whatsapp.com and logging into your account. This will allow you to access your WhatsApp conversations on your computer. Step 2. Once you're on the WhatsApp web page, locate the web address at the top of your browser. Right next to it, you'll find a small icon. Click on it to open the site information. Step 3. Within the site information panel, you'll see various details about the web page. Look for the option labeled About this page and click on it. This will reveal additional information about the source and topic of the WhatsApp web page. By following these 3 simple steps, you can gain insights into the authenticity and credibility of the web page you're using on WhatsApp Web. We hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Thank you for watching.